Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We're personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at how you can go about boosting your compensation claim for a horse riding accident. Now, when we say boost, we're talking about some of the steps that you can take to ensure that you not only maximise your chances of success, but also receive all of the compensation that you're entitled to if an injury is caused by the negligence of a third party. Not only that, but I'll also be going into how you can speak to someone from a law firm completely free of charge in order for you to see whether or not your case has merits. And if you find this video helpful, please do hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find useful. Horse riding is a wonderful hobby that brings joy to many, but horses, just like any other animals, can act in unpredictable ways. You may not be aware, but if you've been involved in a horse riding accident, you may be able to bring a claim for compensation. I'll shortly be explaining how you can help identify these circumstances, but first I'm going to go over a couple of things that you can do to help boost your claim. One of the first things that you should try to do is to take as many photographs at the scene of the accident as possible. You should also make inquiries into who the owner of the horse is, and if you're involved in a road traffic accident whilst riding a horse, collect the contact and insurance details of the driver of the vehicle that caused the accident. One of the most important things that you can do, not only for your case but also for your health, is to have your injuries assessed by a medical professional. They'll advise you on how best to deal with your injuries, but you should also make a note of when and where this assessment took place, as this will make it much easier to get hold of a copy of these records at a later date. Another thing that you can do in support of your claim is to note if anybody witnessed your accident, and if so, you should ask them for their contact details in case you need to take a statement from them at a later date. One of our final pieces of advice to boost the chances of your horse riding accident claim being successful is to keep track of all expenses incurred as a result of your accident, as you may be able to claim these back. This includes, but is by no means limited to, travel costs, care costs, medical costs, the cost of any personal items that were damaged in the accident, as well as any loss of earnings or potential future earnings. Now, because no two accidents are the same, there may be a number of other things that you can do in order to help boost your claim even further. And this is why we offer a completely free, no obligation consultation session, where we'll do all we can to help you establish what your options are. You can contact us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. If we believe that we're able to assist you in your horse riding accident claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there's no upfront fees, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find useful. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.